Welcome to Jazz Streams. So this video is about technical tools that I use, and let's start. So first minute is going to be very brief. I'll just show you the tools that I use, and if you just want to see the tools, that's it. You're done. But it is trading view, right? And I mark up the chart and do everything. And the second tool that I use uh bookmap, heat map, gold, and the tool that I use, my charts are marked up like this, right? The tool that I use is okay, this one, MetaTrader. Uh, this is MetaTrader software, MetaTrader 4. So this one, so very basic, but so you wanted to see which tools, that's the tools that I use, and you're done. So now I'll be recording the part 2. So welcome to part 2. So in this one I'll be showing you how I use these tools, as I'll try to do the my recording trading session. So I don't know, even if we lose, we'll just put it for this video, and this is part 2 of technical trading. Welcome. So as in first video we talked about the tools that we use, right? So in this one, whatever I'll be doing, I'll be speaking and doing everything. This one we'll be trading on this top step prop firm account. Okay, this one's in drawdown right now, you can see, but it is what it is. So we have a 250 loss limit. This is how I do my thing, right? So we have 250 to lose at most. So right now we are 125 in profit. I'm going to risk 125 and 250 more on this if I find the setup using these tools. And what I do and everything, I click and everything, you can watch and see, right? So I'll just pause the video for now to see if my session is working properly, and we'll come back to live trade. That's what I feel like. And guys, got a pause.